Hi all. Now we can see how to calculate IRR using Excel. This Excel is having many built-in functions, and this IRR, internal rate of return, can be calculated using built-in functions in Excel itself. So it comes under the category of financial function. Then what is IRR? IRR is the rate of interest received for the investment. So it is the number of cash flows you are receiving for investing a particular amount. For explaining this IRR, let me give some examples. Let us see the cash in, for example, let us see here, there is cash investment of rupees 3000, sorry, 3000. This 3000 returns what you are getting as second year, let it be first year 2000, then it may be from 4000. See, this is the investment you have done and this is the income. So this is your capital, what you have invested, and this is your income. These two are your incomes. So 3000 you have invested, again you have received the 2000 and 4000. Now what is IRR? See, you are having many methods, so better you use this method. Is equal to IRR, you will get the formula bar here, values, you can select this, you close the bracket and see the answer, it is 54%. You are having another method also, you see here, you go to formula bar, insert function, here financial, IRR, here now values, you can select this 3, again now come here and give OK, same thing. So I have explained you the two methods of calculating IRR. See, the investment is 3000, 2000, 4000. This is one method. Let me have it as first method. See, the second method I am giving. If you don't have negative figures, what is your answer? The same 3000, 2000 and 4000 I will give. See, here now all the things are income only. So when all the things are income, what will be your result? Let us calculate the same IRR here. Values, you just select this, you see what is the result. Let us num. Num means there is no here it means there is no negative value, everything is positive. See, we are calculating returns or rate of interest, something you are invested here, nothing is invested here. See, the another example I will give here. All the things are negative, for example minus 3000, minus 2000, minus 4000. See here, again here I am calculating equal to, this will be convenient mark, values, select all. See, again the answer is num. Here you don't even have a single positive value. So again IRR is not having any meaningful answer here. So again it is negative. See, let us see our example here. See, I have an example here. Initial investment is 1 lakh and income for continuous years I have given. Let us take this as example. Let us calculate IRR here. So initial investment is 1 lakh and first year it is 13,200 and I have given a series of incomes. So let us calculate IRR here is equal to IRR. You select the values here. See the result, it is 9%. See here now, you can increase the decimal. If you increase the decimal, you can have the exact IRR. So this is the method or formula for using IRR. So you have to calculate like this and you have to find out. Even you can go for 2 years or 3 years. For example, in the same example, I will give for first 5 years you just try and calculate here is equal to IRR of some series of years you just take. For example, till 9th year, what is your percentage? It is 4%. Now you calculate for 10 years. See the answer, it is 6%. If you calculate for 11 years, you can check like this, how much you are getting. Let me go beyond 11 years. You see the answer, it is 7%. So yearly, so this is 9th year. This is 10th year. This is 11th year. So like this you can find the IRR and you can decide whether the interest on investment, that is internal rate of return or returns what you have received, is sufficient for your investment. Thank you.